Most people do not know this. There are thousands of edible seeds consumed across the world, studied in laboratories, used in traditional medicine, and quietly analyzed in university nutrition departments. But here is the truth almost no one tells seniors. After 65, your muscles do not respond to protein the way they used to. This is not opinion, it is physiology. It is called anabolic resistance. That means even if you eat eggs, chicken, or protein powders, your muscles may not fully activate the growth and repair signals they once did. That is why so many seniors say, "I eat well, but I still feel weaker." Your legs feel thinner. Your balance feels less stable. Your strength does not bounce back like it used to. It is not laziness. It is not lack of effort. It is biology. But here is what researchers have found. Certain seeds contain unique amino acid patterns, minerals, and bioactive compounds that may enhance muscle protein signaling in aging bodies more effectively than eggs alone. And one specific seed stands above the rest. Make sure to watch until the end, because the number one seed activates a muscle-preserving pathway most seniors have never even heard of, and it may completely change how your muscles respond after 75. Before we begin, let me ask you something. How old are you? Where are you watching from? And how has your health been lately? Let us know in the comments. We read and respond to every single one. Now let us begin. Seed number 5. Quinoa. Yes, it is a seed. Most people believe quinoa is a grain. It is not. It is a seed. Quinoa is one of the few plant seeds classified as a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. Why does that matter? Because aging muscles struggle to combine incomplete proteins efficiently. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition has shown that older adults require higher leucine thresholds to stimulate muscle protein synthesis. Leucine is one of the key amino acids responsible for switching on muscle repair. Quinoa naturally contains leucine, lysine, and methionine in balanced proportions. Eggs contain high-quality protein, yes, but digestion efficiency changes with age. Stomach acid production declines. Enzyme output slows. Quinoa protein is highly digestible for many older adults and may be easier to tolerate when digestion becomes less robust. It also contains magnesium. Magnesium supports muscle contraction, ATP production, and nerve signaling, all critical for maintaining leg strength and balance after 75. Preparation matters. Rinse quinoa thoroughly to remove saponins. Cook it fully until soft. Pair 1 cup of cooked quinoa with a protein source such as yogurt, eggs, or lean meat. This is not about replacing eggs. It is about amplifying their effect, and what comes next contains nearly double the mineral density and a hormone-supporting advantage many seniors overlook. Seed number 4, pumpkin seeds, the hormone support seed. Muscle loss is not only about protein, it is also about hormones. Testosterone and growth hormone naturally decline with age. Even in women, small amounts of testosterone play an important role in maintaining muscle mass and bone strength. Pumpkin seeds may help support this hormonal environment. 3 tablespoons provide roughly 9 grams of plant protein, but the real advantage lies in their mineral density. Pumpkin seeds are rich in zinc and magnesium. Zinc is essential for testosterone production. Magnesium supports muscle contraction, sleep quality, and recovery. Both nutrients tend to be lower in older adults. Research published in Biological Trace Element Research has shown that correcting zinc deficiency in older men can improve testosterone levels. Magnesium has also been associated with improved muscle performance and reduced inflammation. After 60, inflammation becomes a silent barrier to muscle growth. Pumpkin seeds also contain gamma-tocopherol, a form of vitamin E that helps counter oxidative stress inside muscle tissue. Preparation matters here as well. Raw pumpkin seeds contain enzyme inhibitors that can interfere with digestion. Light roasting at moderate heat or soaking overnight can improve digestibility. Grinding them increases absorption further. 2 tablespoons of ground pumpkin seeds added to oatmeal, blended into yogurt, or sprinkled over vegetables can support protein signaling and mineral intake. But the next seed increases protein density even further, and may be easier to digest for some seniors. Seed number 3. Hemp seeds. Highly digestible protein for aging muscles. Now we step into higher protein territory. 3 tablespoons of hemp seeds provide approximately 10 grams of protein, but the quality is what matters. Hemp protein contains 2 primary proteins called edestin and albumin. Edestin is highly digestible and structurally similar to certain proteins found in the human body, which may make it easier to utilize. In aging adults, digestive efficiency declines. Protein that is easier to digest becomes increasingly valuable. Hemp seeds also contain all 9 essential amino acids and offer a favorable omega-3 to omega-6 ratio. Why does that matter? Chronic low-grade inflammation interferes with muscle repair after 75. Omega-3 fatty acids help reduce inflammatory signaling, which may create a more favorable environment for muscle maintenance. Studies in older adults have shown that omega-3 supplementation can enhance muscle protein synthesis when combined with resistance exercise. Hemp seeds provide plant-based omega-3 in the form of alpha-linolenic acid, which contributes to this anti-inflammatory support. Add them raw to smoothies, yogurt, or cooled oatmeal. Avoid high heat to preserve delicate fatty acids. A practical strategy is 4 tablespoons per day divided into 2 servings, 1 in the morning, 1 after light activity. Now before we move to the top 2 seeds, let me pause for a moment. If this video is helping you understand muscle health after age 60, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to Senior Vital Health. It helps us reach more seniors who want to stay strong and independent. And if you are enjoying this content so far, you can tap the Super Thanks button below to send a small token of support. It truly helps us continue creating science-based content for you. Now, get ready, because the next seed changes how your body absorbs protein entirely. Seed number 2, chia seeds, steady delivery for aging muscles. Muscle breakdown does not only happen during exercise, it happens between meals. When amino acid levels drop too low, your body begins breaking down muscle tissue for fuel. This process accelerates with age because aging muscles are less responsive and more sensitive to stress hormones. Chia seeds offer a unique advantage here. 2 tablespoons provide about 5 grams of protein, but their real power is not speed. It is stability. When soaked in liquid, chia seeds form a gel. This gel slows digestion and creates a steady release of amino acids into the bloodstream. Research on older adults has shown that maintaining stable amino acid levels throughout the day may reduce muscle breakdown and improve overall nitrogen balance. Chia seeds are also rich in fiber, calcium, magnesium, and omega-3 fatty acids. Calcium is critical for muscle contraction. Magnesium supports relaxation and recovery. Omega-3 fatty acids help reduce inflammation that interferes with muscle repair. Preparation is simple. Mix 2 tablespoons of chia seeds with 1 cup of water or unsweetened almond milk. Let them soak for at least 20 minutes until a pudding-like texture forms. This improves digestibility and nutrient absorption. Consume 1 serving between meals or before bed to provide sustained amino acid availability overnight. When muscle repair is most active, many seniors eat protein only at main meals. Spacing protein support throughout the day may help overcome anabolic resistance. But now we arrive at the number 1 seed, the one with the most compelling research for aging muscle support. Seed number 1, flax seeds. The muscle preservation seed. This is where the conversation changes. Ground flax seeds provide approximately 6 grams of protein per 3 tablespoons. But protein alone is not what makes flax powerful. Flax seeds are one of the richest dietary sources of lignans, plant compounds studied for their hormone-modulating and anti-inflammatory effects. As we age, chronic inflammation and hormonal decline both contribute to accelerated muscle loss. Research published in Nutrients and other aging journals has explored how lignans may support metabolic balance and reduce inflammatory markers in older adults. Flax seeds also contain alpha-linolenic acid, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid associated with improved muscle function and reduced muscle wasting in aging populations. But here is the key detail. Whole flax seeds pass through the digestive system largely intact. They must be ground to unlock their nutrients. Buy ground flaxseed meal or grind whole seeds fresh. Store in the refrigerator to prevent oxidation. The practical protocol is simple. 2 tablespoons of ground flax seeds mixed into warm water, yogurt, or oatmeal in the morning. This provides fiber for gut health, omega-3 support for inflammation control, and protein to complement your main protein source. When paired with resistance exercise, adequate overall protein intake, and consistent daily movement, flax may help support muscle preservation. It is not magic. It is strategic nutrition. Let us step back. Eggs are not the enemy. Animal protein is not the problem. The issue is that aging muscles require more support, more signaling, and more anti-inflammatory balance to respond properly. These 5 seeds, quinoa, pumpkin, hemp, chia, and flax, offer combinations of complete protein, key minerals, omega-3 fatty acids, and bioactive compounds that may enhance muscle signaling. But remember this, muscle building after 75 is not about appearance. It is about independence. It is about climbing stairs without fear, standing up from a chair without assistance, maintaining balance, avoiding falls, preserving dignity. Before we finish, please remember this video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. If you have kidney disease, diabetes, heart conditions, prostate concerns, digestive disorders, or take prescription medications, consult your healthcare provider before making major dietary changes. Your health history is unique, and your doctor can guide you safely. Today we explored 5 seeds ranked for muscle support. We discussed how anabolic resistance changes the way aging muscles respond to protein. We reviewed how specific seeds may provide complete amino acids, mineral support, omega-3 fatty acids, and anti-inflammatory compounds that complement traditional protein sources like eggs. And we covered preparation and timing strategies to improve absorption. Consistency is the real secret. Thank you for spending this time investing in your strength. If you found this helpful, share it with someone who wants to stay independent after 60, 75, 80, and beyond. And if you would like to learn about one simple daily habit that supports balance and prevents falls, watch the next video on your screen. Your muscles can still respond. They simply need the right signal.